Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Xbox to an Xfinity Hotspot. First, you need the 12-digit MAC address from a device that is already connected. On an iPhone, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap the info icon next to Xfinity Wi-Fi. If private Wi-Fi address is enabled, turn it off. Then copy the Wi-Fi address shown on the screen. On an Android phone, open Settings, go to About Phone, then Status, and find the Wi-Fi MAC address. Write down the full 12-digit address. Next, turn on your Xbox and open Settings. Go to General, then Network Settings, and select Advanced Settings. Choose Alternate MAC address, then select Manual. Enter the 12-digit MAC address exactly as you copied it. Use only numbers and letters, and do not include any colons. When you are done, select Restart and let your Xbox reboot. After the restart, go back to Settings, then General, and open Network Settings again. Select Set up Wireless Network and choose Xfinity Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. Connect to the network. Because your Xbox is now using the authorized MAC address, the Xfinity Hotspot should recognize it and allow your console to connect through the existing login. Thanks for watching.